This question is the evaluation of a definite integral from negative infinity to positive infinity, specifically of x squared divided by 1 plus x to the fourth power. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Math Tutor 8285. Your subscription fuels the passion. Let's grow together. Copyright, all rights reserved. Thank you so much. Evaluate the following integral and justify each step clearly. The integral is from negative infinity to positive infinity of x squared divided by 1 plus x to the fourth power. First step, we start by checking symmetry. The integrand f of x equals x squared divided by 1 plus x to the fourth power. This is an even function because both x squared and x to the fourth power are even. Therefore, the original integral equals 2 times the integral from 0 to infinity of x squared divided by 1 plus x to the fourth power. Next step is substitution. To simplify, we set t equal to 1 over x. Then x equals 1 over t, and dx equals negative 1 over t squared times dt. When x approaches 0 from the positive side, t approaches infinity. When x approaches infinity, t approaches 0 from the positive side. Thus, the integral from 0 to infinity of x squared divided by 1 plus x to the fourth power dx becomes the integral from infinity to 0 of 1 over t squared divided by 1 plus 1 over t to the fourth power multiplied by negative 1 over t squared dt. Then, next step, we simplify fraction. The fraction simplifies to negative 1 divided by t to the fourth power plus 1. So, the integral equals the integral from 0 to infinity of 1 divided by 1 plus t to the fourth power dt. Next step, known standard integral. It is a known standard result that the integral from 0 to infinity of 1 divided by 1 plus x to the fourth power dx equals pi divided by 2 times the square root of 2. Therefore, the integral from 0 to infinity of x squared divided by 1 plus x to the fourth power dx equals pi divided by 2 times the square root of 2. After that, next step, we double for full range. The original integral is 2 times this result, which equals pi divided by the square root of 2. Final answer, the integral from negative infinity to positive infinity of x squared divided by 1 plus x to the fourth power equals pi divided by the square root of 2. Key idea. Always check whether the function is even or odd first, because that can cut the work in half. Common pitfall. Some students think the integral diverges because of the numerator x squared, but the denominator grows faster as x to the fourth, so it converges. When you see rational functions with numerator and denominator involving powers of x, try the substitution x equals 1 over t. This often uncovers hidden symmetry. That's it for this question solving. This video is based on our math tutoring blog and class recordings. Copyright, all rights reserved. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to our channel Math Tutor 8285 and turn on the notification bell. Press the like button. Your subscription fuels the passion. Let's grow together. Thank you so much.